Hi everyone, welcome back to another Connecting Your Creativity. I'm Alex, and this week we'll be making wine cork succulent fridge magnets. So for this project, you will need some super glue, a wine cork that I pre-hollowed out, a pair of scissors, a magnet, as well as some fake greenery. So here I have some fake succulents and some fake moss as well. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to start by trimming my succulent branches, and I'm going to cut off 3 different branches. I'm also going to start taking out a little bit of my moss and kind of gather it for when we're putting it inside our cork. And here I'm just trimming off the bottom of my plants and kind of just judging their measurements and seeing how tall or short I want to make them based on the arrangement. So again, I'm just cutting and plucking. And then I'm going to fill the bottom of the cork with a base layer of super glue. And we're going to start adding in with our succulent branches. And then you can start compacting the moss around the branches and keeping them in place that way. And then I add a little bit of moss in front and a little bit of moss in back, and it kind of keeps those succulent branches right in the middle. So here I'm just adding a little bit of moss to the back. And adding in a little bit more super glue to make sure everything stays in place. And in the back, I'm just going to add in just a touch more moss. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim my moss that's hanging off. And then you just want to add those finishing touches, make sure that your arrangement is how you would like. Go ahead and put a little bit of super glue on the back side of your cork and place your magnet on top and just hold it in place for about 15 seconds to let that dry, and it should look something like this. All right, everyone, I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you next week for another Connecting Your Creativity. Bye.